Step 7. Review and data transfer. In eView mode, you can review the current and past studies of the patient. You can review, delete, print, or send images in eView mode. Finish the current study first to review a past study. Enter Patient Browser to find patient and double-click the patient. When saved studies are open, select the study and click Image View. You can change the image layout by selecting the layout options at the bottom. You can use eView Compare and XPlus in this image view mode. To review and measure a single image, double-click the image. You can conduct a new measurement and save the result in this page. Data transfer. Opening the patient browser is recommended to send an image. In the patient browser, you can send to PACS, print, save to USB, and backup. You can send data by patient, study, and image. Let's send a study to PACS. Find a patient to send and select a study. Press Send to and select PACS, and then add the PACS storage to send a study and click Send. You can check the progress using DICOM Spooler. As a tip for a convenient use, you can send an examination to PACS every time you press End Exam. Features Tutorial: XPlus Auto Biometry. Using the Auto Biometry function, you can easily measure the head circumference, biparietal diameter, femur length, abdominal circumference, and humerus for the estimated fetal weight measurement of the fetus. In the freeze mode, press the measure key and select the fetal biometry folder on the touchscreen. When the measurement item is selected, the system automatically measures the structure. When you select an item to measure, the system will automatically measure the structure. Adjust the calipers minutely using Edit Caliper if necessary. Caliper placement can be changed to outer to inner or outer to outer. (3D, 4D). Let's look into the functions that are available in 3D and 4D. Press the 3D, 4D key to enter 3D mode. Set the preset and scan the fetus. Adjust the ROI size using the Set key. Press Freeze to switch to 3D mode. You can select Curved ROI using the Priority key and adjust it using the trackball. Clear Face. If you press Clear Face on the touchscreen, you can see the face of the fetus conveniently as the system removes obstacles such as placenta and hands that cover the face of the fetus. Render Setup. You can select various views in Render Setup. Live HQ. Select Live HQ to see 3D images more realistically. You can adjust the lighting position by rotating the trackball. Silhouette. The internal structures of the fetus are exhibited as transparent as a vitreous body. XPlus Point Shear Wave Elastography. Point shear wave elastography calculates the elasticity through the shear wave propagation speed in the tissue by pushing and receiving ultrasonic waves in the ROI. It could be useful for non-invasive fibrosis assessment and follow-up in patients with chronic liver diseases. Let's begin. The patient should take the supine position and raise the right arm fully overhead to secure intercostal space. Perform intercostal approach when scanning. The patient should hold his breath to avoid deep inhalation or exhalation. The transducer should be positioned perpendicular to the liver capsule. ROI should be located in the right liver lobe to avoid cardiac motion. Measure at least 2 centimeters below the liver capsule to avoid reverberation artifacts. Press the acquisition key. The results will be immediately displayed on the screen, and the "wait for 3 seconds" message will be displayed. Save the results by pressing the measure key. Press the freeze key and scan again, and obtain the result 12 times. You can get statistical values such as median, IQR, and IQR mean. X plus point shear wave elastography ensures a short cooling time, hence it is helpful for making faster decisions and saving time. X plus microview. X plus microview is the vascular imaging mode that displays the micro blood flow. Scan the kidneys in CF mode. Touch microview on the touchscreen to activate the function. Appropriately adjusting a size of the region of interest is recommended instead of increasing it too much. Various color maps are provided. eView Compare. eView Compare allows importing previous studies and placing saved images and CNA loops side by side for convenience of comparison. Open the patient browser, find and select a patient. Press Image View and activate eView Compare. Select the desired study and rotate the soft key knob to open the page of the desired image. Now, find the image to compare. Studies and images are displayed on the touchscreen. A comparison image will appear on the right screen. You can select multiple images on the touchscreen to compare. You can change the layout of both left and right screens by rotating the soft key knob, respectively. Even if you delete an image from the comparison group, it is not deleted from the study. X plus Compare. X plus Compare allows the image from a patient's previous and current study to be set side by side. While the eView Compare function compares among saved images, the X plus Compare function compares saved images with a current image. Activate X plus Compare on the touchscreen while scanning. The patient's past records will be displayed on the touchscreen. Select the desired study. Select an image to compare and display it on the screen. Scan the patient and freeze the image. If image adjustment is needed, scan again by pressing the freeze key. Save with the P1 key after comparison and end X plus Compare using the 2D key. X plus Assistant. X plus Assistant decreases the keystrokes and exam time by guiding the next sequence and automatically displaying the imaging modes, annotations, body patterns, and measurements. Operation. There are two ways to start X plus Assistant. When starting during a scan, press X plus Assistant on the touchscreen while scanning the registered patient. Select Application and Protocol, and then press Start Exam on the touch screen to start. Press the Print key to save the image. Then the next task will be started. When starting from the patient screen, select an application when registering a patient, followed by the X Plus Assistant checkbox and protocol, and then start with Start Exam for the new patients or Add Exam for registered patients. If you need to measure while scanning, press Freeze and then Measure. Then a registered measurement will immediately come out. If you want to take the previous task again while scanning, select the desired task using the cursor and scan again. If you save the image, the next unperformed task will be started. If you jump to the next task in sequence, save the image using the Print key. Then the following task will be started. You can compare any image you want with X plus Compare. Press the Print key to save and start the next task. When all tasks are completed, a pop-up window appears. If you want to add another protocol, select Continue and the protocol you want for continuous scanning. If you want to end the X Plus Assistant, press the Stop button or end the study using End Exam. Protocol and Task Editor. You can make or optimize protocols and tasks. In X Plus Assistant page, you can create a new user-optimized protocol conveniently with the existing protocol. Press Clone and enter Edit. You can add or remove a task. To add a task, set image mode, parameters, comment, and measure, and then press Apply to complete. You can also import or export a protocol using a USB drive.